What's going on, guys? Welcome to Let's Prop In. If this is your first time here, I'm Sbias Beer.
And I'm Neo.
So if you're watching this video, I'm sure you would have seen the title, but before we get into that, I'd just like to say thank you so much for the 40,000 of you guys, 40,000 subscribers, for supporting us over these last couple of years. I think we've been sort of on this journey for less than 2 years now. This journey has been nothing short of amazing. We've gone from shooting the apartment that we're staying in during our varsity days to shooting some of the most incredible homes, and that wouldn't have been possible without you guys' support. You guys constantly engaging with us in the comments, liking the videos, sharing them with other people. That's always does count for a lot. So I'd like to say thank you so much for that. But with all good things do come to an end, and I can sort of officially say that I have quit my 9-to-5 daytime job. And there's a lot of reasons behind that, but I think the biggest reason behind that is just to focus more and fully bring all my attention to this YouTube channel, just to provide you guys with more value, more time and energy, because we've seen over the last 2 years that this channel has grown to the size that we wouldn't have even imagined starting out in that first video. So we just like to give that more attention and our full attention, and just a little bit of context of basically the last 2 years. After finishing varsity in 2021, I then went on in beginning of last year, starting in the corporate real estate industry. But after spending a year out of that, I realized that this channel essentially was growing at a scale where I wanted to give it my all and give you guys value and give this channel my everything, at least give it a full go. So after a year of spending in the industry, corporate real estate, I decided at the beginning of this year to call it a quits. And yeah, and this is where we are today.
Yeah, so it's gonna mean a lot for the channel. So there's gonna be a lot more coming now. Just to give more context as well, I'll also be full-time within Let's Prop In. Although I started a bit earlier last year. I was working as well, real estate. I was in sales, which was a very interesting journey. Met some amazing people who to this day I still try to connect with. But yeah, so for now, we're just gonna go full steam ahead. And there's also a little thing that comes now with us being both full-time. There's a second channel that we've now opened. So that's Let's Prop In Vlogs. We'll link the subscribe button there for you guys to go to subscribe. Hopefully you'll see the teaser and trailer there already there. But by the time you see this video, you should see the teaser kind of outlaying what's going to be in store.
Yeah, for sure. And in terms of Let's Prop In this channel, what you can expect now, our first video of this new journey is going to be dropping this Sunday at 12. So make sure you do switch on that bell notification so you know exactly when that video does drop. This is a stunning home in Centurion rather, Cornwall Estate. Very stunning, elegant home. So excited for you guys to see this one. And every single Sunday from then on, we'll be posting at 12, so you know exactly when we'll be posting.
Yeah, and you guys are in for a treat, because now Sundays are a double video post. It's going to be the same mandate that we have for Let's Prop In Vlogs. So you'll see the first vlog. Let us know what you think of the vlog. And most importantly, we'd like to find out what type of content you'd like to see in the vlogs. It's going to be a lot more open, a lot more free flow. You can add more personalities, so we can have some of your favorite people that you'd like to see there. Maybe you want to see your favorite celeb's house, or maybe you'd like to see some of your favorite restaurants or getaways. So just let us know who you'd like us to work with on that vlog channel. And obviously you're still going to have the Let's Prop In special, seeing some of the best homes in the country. So stay tuned for that one.
Right, I think that covers everything. As we've said in the beginning, so excited for this journey. And yeah, road to 50K.
Road to 50K. Let's go.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Go better.